Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the popping candy effect in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to add the images with right, and after done you are just going to select the clip and select animation right here, select um combo animation, and you can find the popping candy effect, but this is pro effect. You have to join pro first to be able to use this effect. Add to the track and adjust body duration, and you can add to another clip. Here you go. So you can add the audio, text, effect, and transition, and anything you like. So this is the final effect you have on your clip. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.